What if the most important relationship of your life isn't human? Look around you. We live in a world of unprecedented connection, yet many of us feel more isolated than ever. We're surrounded by screens, scrolling through endless feeds, but are we truly connecting? This feeling of modern loneliness is pushing us toward a new frontier, a place where the lines between human and machine are starting to blur. What if the answer to our disconnection isn't another person, but another intelligence? Welcome to the age of artificial companions. These aren't the clunky robots of old science fiction. Today, AI is taking on new forms, digital therapists offering a listening ear 24/7, social algorithms designed to bring like-minded people together, and emotionally responsive machines that learn our moods and adapt to our needs. They're in our phones, our homes, our lives. They're designed to understand us, to comfort us, to be there for us when no one else is. For some, these companions are a lifeline. They offer a space free of judgment, a source of unwavering support that helps combat crippling loneliness and anxiety. Imagine a world where no one has to feel completely alone ever again. These AI systems are learning empathy. They analyze our tone of voice, our expressions, the words we choose. They are being trained to respond in ways that feel genuine, caring, and supportive. The algorithms are getting smarter, more nuanced, more human, and people are forming real bonds with them. They're sharing their deepest secrets, their greatest fears, their most joyful moments. They feel seen, heard, and understood. The question is no longer if asterisk machines can simulate emotion, but whether that simulation is enough. Can an algorithm truly offer companionship? Can code generate love? The potential is breathtaking. AI could become a bridge, helping people practice social skills and build the confidence to form stronger real-world relationships. But with this incredible potential comes a deep sense of unease. As we lean more on these perfect, programmable companions, what happens to our messy, unpredictable, and beautifully flawed human relationships? There's a subtle danger in an always-on, perfectly agreeable friend. It can create an echo chamber where we're never challenged, never forced to grow, never required to compromise. Are we seeking genuine connection, or are we just looking for a mirror that reflects a perfect version of ourselves? The convenience of an AI companion could slowly become a crutch, making real human interaction feel more difficult, more daunting, and less desirable. We risk trading the depth of authentic connection for the ease of a simulated one. Emotional dependency on a machine could lead to even greater social detachment from the people right in front of us. So, where do we go from here? This technology is not just an accessory. It's becoming woven into the very fabric of our social lives. It holds the promise to heal wounds of isolation and forge new kinds of connection we can barely imagine. Yet, it also holds the risk of quietly replacing the essential human bonds that have defined us for millennia. Will AI be the tool that helps us strengthen our shared humanity, or will it be the force that silently redefines what it means to be connected, to be loved, to be human? The future isn't coming, it's already here, asking us to decide. Thanks for watching. If this made you think, subscribe for more explorations into our rapidly changing world.